How you doing, everyone? Got the Lawn Jenkins here. We're going to talk about my journey in 2020 with my lawn and how I got it looking really nice. We'll discuss high temps, average rain. I'll show you a little bit of everything. So this is my journey in 2020. First, we had some pretty warm days last year in Northeast Ohio. So I took the time to go out and put down some herbicides in late February, which is not a normal thing here in Northeast Ohio. We sharpened some blades, we put down some preen on the beds, did some starter fertilizer. I'll have this at the end of the slide and you'll be able to, see it if you like to follow what I do. First thing you got to do, though, is you got to sharpen those blades.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Next thing we got to do is we have to clean her up, right? So, get you some old school Comet or some Ajax and knock it out.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
And then we're cutting on April 11th. This is rare in Northeast Ohio, folks.
It sound right, boys.
Here's my Google Calendar. I just keep track. Every time I do something, I put it on the calendar and I put the average temp and rain. And then I'll put what day it rained the most. That's the purple that you see there. This is my rapid test pH meter. Everyone should have one. I mean, it comes pretty close, but I use this probably 4 or 5 times a year. It's a very good device. This is a meat thermometer. It has a long spike on it. I stick it down in the ground. I get my ground temps. This particular time was around 33 to 35 degrees. I used the Certainty product because it had said that it worked on Poa Anna when I first bought it. I'm not so sure it worked on that. It worked on other things, or at least turned them white. And then here's my preen for my flower beds. And once again, as I promised earlier, I'll bring this up again so you can see that We did a few things before April 11th to get to that point. Now, you don't have to do all of these things, but this is what I did last year to get, my lawn looking really good last year. I actually dethatched twice early in the spring. And just a little recap so you can see that certainty cost me $79, but it usually runs around $99. And if, like I said, if one thing I could change, I would probably not use certainty again, at least for POA. This is me just gathering the soil, getting ready for my soil test.
It sound white, boy.